Have you ever imagined turning the traditional hot dog into something irresistibly crispy? Well, we're making 4 units, but you can make as many as you'd like. We start by skewering each one like this. Now we'll wrap each of them with a slice of mozzarella cheese. Once that's done, set them aside. In a bowl, add 150 grams of flour, 200 milliliters of milk, 1 egg, a tablespoon of baking powder, and a pinch of salt. Use a whisk to mix everything together. When it reaches this consistency, transfer it into a tall glass. Next, prepare a dish with panko breadcrumbs. Roll the sausages in the breadcrumbs until fully coated. Now, heat oil in a frying pan and fry the sausages, turning them until golden on all sides. Let them fry until they reach this color. For the sauce, you can use ketchup, mayonnaise, or whatever you like. Now just enjoy. I hope you enjoyed our version of the Korean hot dog. If you try it at home, don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments. And of course, leave your comments below, like the video if you enjoyed it, and if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any amazing upcoming recipes. See you next time. Until then,